30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, now let's move on to 30 degree and 60 degree. Now if I consider a equilateral triangle A, B, C, this is equals to this is equals to this, all the sides are equal. Now if this is a equilateral triangle, now draw a line which divides it. All the sides are 60, 60, and this is also 60. But look at this, this is 30, and this also will be 30. Correct? Now I'll just draw this triangle and I'll just name this point as D. Okay, I'll just draw the triangle of this part. A, D and C. 90, this is 60 and this is 30. Okay, now finding out for, first let us do it for 30 degree. Now suppose if AC is equals to BC is equals to AB is equals to X, if I name the side as X, so this is X, what would be the DC? So DC is equals to half of AC or BC, anything, so half into X, so DC is nothing but X by 2. So DC is nothing but X by 2, right? Look, it is very simple, guys. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Is it? Now if all sides are equal, so obviously if I'm dissecting exactly at the middle, so this part will be half of BC or half of AC or half of AB. Anything is similar, right? Now it is X by 2. Is it simple? Now if I take this as X by 2, we have got the value of DC, which is nothing but X by 2, right? Now if this is a rectangle, this is 30 degree, okay, and this is X. Let me just name it first, A, C and D, and this is X by 2. Now what is AD? So you need to just apply the Pythagoras theorem for that, right? So AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. Now AC square is X square is equals to AD square plus X square by 4. Now X square minus X square by 4, which is nothing but AD square, and this is nothing but 3x square by 4 is equals to AD square, and AD is nothing but root 3 by 2 into X. So we have got all the values, right? Now let me just write it with all the values. If this is a triangle, now this is 30, this is X, this is X by 2, and this is root 3 by 2 into X. This is A, B, this was a C, right? C and D. Now 30 degree. Now please find out all the trigonometric ratios. Sine 30, opposite by hypotenuse. So X by 2 into X cancels out. You will remain with by 1 by 2, and cos 30 is adjacent by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 into X by X cancels out. You're gonna remain with the root 3 by 2. Now rest of the things are very easy. Now what is tan 30? What is tan 30? Sine by cos, which is nothing but 1 by root 3. And what is cot? Cot 30 degree, reverse of tan, which is nothing but root 3. And what is cosec 30? Reverse of sine, which is nothing but 2. And what is secant 30? The reverse of cos, which is nothing but 2 by root 3. Simple. I think it is very much simple. Now this same triangle, look, the same figure, we will be using it to find out now 60 degree with all the same values. Okay, so now I'll just draw this once again. Now this was our rectangle, triangle. I'm extremely sorry. Now this was 30. Now we require 60. Correct? A, C, D. Correct? Now this was x by 2, and this was root 3 by 2 into x. Now find it out for 60 degree now. Sine 60 degree, opposite is root 3 by 2 into x divided by hypotenuse is nothing but x. So x cancels out. You will end up with root 3 by 2. And what is cos 60 now? It is adjacent x by 2 by hypotenuse, which is nothing but x. So x cancels out. You will end up with 1 by 2. Correct? And now rest of the things are very easy now. Now what is tan 60? Sine divided by cos, which is nothing but root 3. And what is cot 60? Reverse of tan, which is nothing but 1 by root 3. And what is secant 60? Reverse of cos. Correct? Reverse of cos, which is nothing but 2. And what is cosec 60? Which is the reverse of sine, that is 2 by root 3. Got it? So these are all the values of 60 degree. Easy. I think it should be very easy for you now. And last but not the least, that is 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so let's just discuss about first about 0 degree. Now with this triangle, if this is theta, this will be your opposite, this will be your adjacent, this will be your hypotenuse. If this is 0, so that means this line, what I am highlighting, right, will be exactly lying over adjacent, right? Look here. So this line, right, the hypotenuse line will come and rest on adjacent line. So hypotenuse will be equals to adjacent, but whereas opposite side will be 0. This is the catch you need to understand. In 0 degree, hypotenuse will rest on adjacent, so both will be equal, but opposite will shrink away. Correct? Look at this. This opposite will shrink down, so this will be 0. So opposite will shrink down to 0. Hypotenuse will be equals to adjacent. Okay, now let's just start deriving it. Now let's just start deriving the trigonometric ratios for 0 degree. Now first is sine. Now what is sine 0? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 0, hypotenuse. 0 divided by anything is 0. Correct? Look how simple it is. Cos 0 adjacent by hypotenuse. Now adjacent and hypotenuse both are equal, so that means cos 0 will be 1. Got it? Look how simple it comes. Now what is tan 0? Sine divided by cos. So once again 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by anything is 0. Cot 0, reverse of tan. That means anything divided by 0 is infinity or not defined. Okay. Now what is secant 0? Secant 0 is reverse of cos, which is also nothing but 1. And what is cosec 0? Once again it is not defined or infinity, because it comes as 1 divided by 0. Look how simple it is, isn't it, guys? So this is very, very simple, but make sure you remember these values. Okay, now which is the last one we are left up with? 90 degree. Now if this is a triangle, this is 90 degree, and this theta A B C. Now this is your adjacent, this is your opposite, and this is your hypotenuse. Correct? Now if this theta is 90 degree, in the sense, look at here, this theta, that means this hypotenuse is slowly approaching to opposite side. So hypotenuse is equals to opposite. But look here, since it is moving towards the opposite side, that means this has to be 90, right? Now what is happening to adjacent? It is shrinking down. This is shrinking down to 0. So adjacent is equals to 0. But whereas in 0 degree, opposite was 0, but whereas in 90 degree, adjacent side will become 0. Now once again everything is very, very simple. Now what is sine 90? Opposite by hypotenuse, since both are equal, 1. Now what is cos 90? Since adjacent is 0, so 0 divided by anything is 0. And what is tan 90? 1 divided by 0, that is sine divided by cos, which is not defined once again, or infinity. And what is cot 90? It is reverse, which means 0, that is cos by sine, or reverse of tan, which is nothing but 0. And what is secant? What is secant 90? Secant 90 is the reverse of cos, so 1 by cos. Cos is 0, cos 90 is 0, which is once again not defined. And what is cosecant? Cosec 90, which is the reverse of sine, nothing but 1. Look, it's done. So these are very simple. So I'll just show you the like all the values. We have derived all the values, so you make sure you prepare a table for this. Okay, so the tables are available, even in your textbooks or to the books which you are referring in. Okay, so you can just refer the table. I've just shown you the derivation, so how it has been derived. So make sure you just make a table of these values. These values are very much important. Okay, so this is end of this session. In the next session we'll be coming up with the problems on this topic. Okay, so that you'll be like practically experiencing it, how to use these values. Okay, so till then, make sure you practice it, because practice makes man perfect, right? So make sure you practice it on your daily basis. Okay, thank you so much. Keep sharing the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified with all the videos. Okay, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, till then we'll be meeting in our next session, so till then take care.